Na wakiwe ni ma waka we ni me obi wa wa yere gani na area House of Assembly wa vote me ni yaseva wana we mudi akeme throughout 4 years later we hear me area House of Rep the governor tell me when area House of Rep it is only Iyekogba ni na win wa vote me I really work by governor when he wait and one of the chief of staff. Obey the kiri by my ye disappoint wa. Who are when you are supported? Obey the kiri as wa imudi akeke digba. You may yak by House of Assembly now. My when I hear the married with dia mama finish so. Obey the yak baware. Why give me the command dia as per constituency project. The town hall in Boye Wani, Ike by House of Assembly, my boy, if the governor will the time work, or we might finish it now. My dear Baba, me a born engineer, my engineer reciting this week. He has called me about twice. So we are going to finish this town hall with enabled automatic alacrity. Anyway, okay, Obiwa Mori, Otima, the governor Edu, Governor Godwin Obaseki. Okay, no mano. But when anyone came, how we were all the me on. Ona do mi ekwe, ona we ha kelere do mi wa. Ode yan ona ri Obiwa re Uji, almost go no the House of Assembly. Ore do mi ma. My Mutia Mioyi, although you marry as an ordinano, although by man, the Manicra boy, your Mossi, and the governor who carry a new wine in Totana, eagerly, equal, Evo Ya, Macoyone. We not mistake to out of it. Yobano, and I will name you. Ariopaka Yobano Eri. Opa. January ma we je kena wa we upona upagare e baby upa averebo ebo iki so ala we ni ya no la owo ma we ge yiro ma fa ma wo aka we mi a bi yore ya we katapila gudu we wo kena mana ala we ni tana ma ya kokota Arugo Bahameti wa do agwa e ma ira we upo na udega ulare ya una de no ye ruya e wo sa ogwaro udebe na amenaro no make na dega we no ye and wo se maba o ma he we amwewana alewana second road o ma he wa we can sike agbera gogo bi odo ya lawyer okwa abi second road no surprise be we de to e we yo o pe ni na asu no Bema yen na la owo Iyekogba we ni nya we even don't name my we no so papa no ai we ni mother dey we so no we ba he was na ai we ma me believe wa we aga I was ne la owo I was ne na la upo na so o jairi ma
on my way here I was very, very sad. Very, very sad. That the road to Iyekogba and the surrounding communities have still not been done. Immediately, the car calls the Commissioner for Roads to come and meet me here. It's here. design for this road has been completed. Now, I will make a commitment here today that before the end of this dry season, we will start working on this road. By the grace of God, before I leave office, November 11th next year, we will complete this road. For the other community projects, I will work with our House of Assembly rep to now design your projects, because we owe Iyekogba a lot. We cannot continue to use Iyekogba as a political pawn. When election comes, we expect them to do their own, and we as government have not never fulfilled our promise. So starting with the road, I will fulfill the promise of the road, and with the road, other projects will follow.
Thank you.
Everybody for market, old money, new money, and the same, not the user. Is that clear?